How to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Then go to the profile icon. Now here in the post section, you will find drafts. Go over there. Open your draft. And now what you will have to do is tap on next. Go back again. Tap on this video, and here in order to continue adding or continue recording in draft, tap on the plus icon. You can either add new video, or if you want to post, go to continue recording, go back in the arrow and continue recording. Here you will be able to continue your recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.